Your landlord said you can't paint. We said, watch this. You're renting. Your landlord has a list of rules longer than your lease agreement. No painting, no drilling, no permanent changes. And yet, you open Pinterest, see those stunning living rooms, and think, why can't that be mine? Here's the thing, it can be yours. And no, you won't lose your security deposit. Welcome to Cozy Space Makeover, and today we're doing a complete rental-friendly living room refresh using 4 game-changing tricks that require 0 permanent damage to your walls, your floors, or anything in between. Whether you're in a studio in New York, a 1-bedroom in Austin, or an apartment complex in Chicago, this transformation works. Let's get into it. The number 1 rule that makes living rooms feel sad? Plain white walls. And the number 1 rule in almost every rental property? Don't touch the walls. Enter peel and stick wallpaper. This stuff has completely changed the rental game. You pick one accent wall, ideally the wall behind your sofa or your TV stand, and transform it in under 2 hours. No tools, no mess, no commitment. For this living room, we used a warm botanical print. Large tropical leaves in a rich green and cream palette. It instantly adds depth, texture, and that expensive feel without spending more than $40 to $60 on the whole wall. Best part? When you move out, it peels off cleanly. No residue, no damage, just pack it up and take it with you, or leave it as a gift for the next tenant. Pro tip, measure your wall twice before ordering, and always order about 15% more than you think you need for pattern matching. Trust us, you'll thank yourself later. Okay, this next one is for anyone who wants something architectural. Something that looks like you hired an interior designer, but your budget says otherwise. 3D decorative wall panels. These are lightweight foam or PVC panels that you can mount using removable adhesive strips. Yes, the same ones that hold your picture frames. And they create an incredible shadow and light texture effect on your wall. We painted our panels with regular white wall paint before mounting, which you can do because you're painting the panel, not the wall. Then let the LED lighting do the rest. The result looks like something out of an architecture magazine? Seriously. This one feature alone will get you the most, "Oh my God, how did you do that?" comments from every guest. And when it's time to move, these panels come straight off, no damage, no drama. 30 minutes to install, 10 minutes to remove. Those subtle ridges and patterns on the panels catch the light and create natural shadows. Suddenly, your flat wall isn't flat at all. It has depth, movement, and that high-end architectural feel you usually only see in designer apartments. Let me tell you something about lighting that interior designers don't want you to know for free. Lighting is everything. The same room under harsh overhead fluorescent light looks like a hospital waiting room. That same room under warm, layered LED lighting, it looks like a luxury boutique hotel. Here's how we layered the lighting in this room. First, behind the TV. We used a warm white diffused LED strip light. It reduces eye strain and makes your entire media wall look intentional and designed. Second, under the floating shelf. We ran a soft, warm LED strip along the underside of the shelves, and it creates this gorgeous glow that makes your decor look like it's floating in midair. Third, a floor lamp in the corner. A tall arc lamp or a rattan tripod floor lamp in a warm corner does 2 things. Fills dead space and creates that layered lighting depth that makes a room feel alive. None of this requires drilling. None of it leaves marks. Everything plugs into a standard outlet, Total investment for all 3 lighting elements? Under $80. Here's where most people go wrong when decorating a rental. They fix the walls, upgrade the lighting, and then stop. But accessories? That's where the soul comes from. That's what makes a space your space. Start with the sofa. You'll want at least 3 throw pillows in 2 complementary colors and at least 2 different textures. Think chunky knit, smooth linen, and velvet. Layer them, don't line them up like soldiers. Next, your coffee table. This is your stage. Use the classic rule of 3. 1 tall element, 1 medium, 1 low. For us, that was a small potted plant, a stack of coffee table books with an object on top, and a decorative tray with candles. Then dress your vertical shelves. Floating shelves, panel mount, completely removable, are your best friend in a rental. Style them using the 60-30-10 rule. 60% books and plants, 30% decorative objects, 10% negative space. That empty space is not wasted. It lets everything else breathe. Together, throw pillows, coffee table styling, shelf decor, mirror, all of it comes to somewhere between $100 and $150 depending on where you shop. And every single piece moves with you when your lease ends. Let's take one more look at where we started. And here's where we landed. Same square footage, same rent, same landlord rules, completely different life. Peel and stick wallpaper turned a blank wall into a bold statement. 3D panels gave it architecture. LED lighting gave it a mood. And the right accessories gave it personality. 4 tricks, 1 weekend, 0 lease violations. If you've been scrolling Pinterest thinking your rental could never look like that, I hope this video just proved you wrong. You don't need to own your home to love the space you live in, you just need the right tricks. If this video gave you even one idea you're ready to try, hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow and lets us keep making content like this for you. And subscribe to Cozy Space Makeover. We post new makeover videos every week, bedroom upgrades, kitchen refreshes, small space solutions. All rental friendly, all budget conscious, all stunning.